Support code 1403. The type of printhead is incorrect. Install the correct printhead. Yeah, this Canon printer error code stinks. If you're seeing it, there's a good chance you'll be shopping for a new printer soon. But there are a few things you can try first, which I'm going to cover in this video. If these fixes don't work and you need to replace your printer, be sure to check out the link in the video description below. The Epson EcoTank printer is great on ink and a lot more reliable than these Canon Pixma printers. The Canon Pixmas are just plagued with these printhead errors. So the first fix we're going to try is to manually reseat the printhead. This has worked a few times for me when I've received this 1403 error. You're going to start by first removing power to the printer and then opening the front cover of the printer to access the printhead. Next, we're going to manually move the printhead, so you're going to slide that to where there's an opening right here on the left and right. You want to line that printhead between the opening. Then we're going to remove all of the ink cartridges from the printhead. At the bottom front of the printhead, we're going to place our fingers behind it and then pull out towards the front of the printer. That's going to release the lock of the printhead, just like this. Next, you're going to reach in and pinch with your fingers and pull the printhead out. You're going to tilt slightly as you're pulling out. You could also use needle nose pliers as well. To reseat the printhead, all you're going to do is simply remove and reinstall it along with the cartridges. For a lot of people, this is going to fix the 1403 error code. This has worked for me a couple times. If reseating the printhead does not work, the next thing you're going to want to try is to try to clean the printhead. To clean the printhead, we're going to use warm distilled water. So you're going to heat that distilled water up on a stove, and then we're going to use the distilled water to pour through the printhead to clean it. You can use a paper towel on top of a plate to soak up the ink that's going to come out of the printhead. You want to continue to run warm water through the printhead until the ink no longer bleeds out and it's completely clean. After removing all the ink from the printhead, then you want to run isopropyl alcohol through the printhead to help evaporate all the water and remove any remaining moisture. After cleaning the printhead, just reinstall the printhead along with the cartridges and restore power to see if the 1403 error code is cleared. If cleaning the printhead didn't clear your 1403 error, another option would be replacing the printhead. There's several sellers online that sell replacement printheads. I'll link to those in the description below. If you don't want to try a new printhead, I highly recommend the Epson EcoTank printer. It's really good on ink and it's a multifunction, so it copies, prints, and scans all in one. I'll put a link to that in the description below. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Also, if you're ready to just throw that Canon printer off the roof or destroy it, let me hear about it in the comments below.